बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वकफ़ा व सलामुन अला इबादिहिल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद क़ाल अल्लाहु तबारक व तआला फ़िल कलामिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिर हमीद बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनु तक़ुल्लाह हक़्क़ तुक़ातिही वला तमूतुन्ना इल्ला व अंतुम मुस्लिमून। क़ाल रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम इन्नमल आमाल बिल ख़वातीम बिहा सदक़ल्लाहु मौलाना अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका मिनश शाहिदीन व शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आले सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व बारिक वसल्लम वसल्लि अलैहि रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा सुब्हानक ला इल्मा लना इल्ला मा अल्लमतना इन्नका अंतल अलीमुल हकीम। My most honored brother and sister in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am covering the subject, how should we have last breath with Iman? हमारा ईमान पर कैसे खात्मा हो? It's a very important subject. Everybody need it. First of all, we should do shukr to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who blessed us with Iman. Now effort we have to make, keep in mind that we should have last breath with Iman. The ayat mubarakah I quoted before you, simple meaning. O believer, fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Don't disobey Him. Don't commit even a minor sin. Don't do it. And don't die, but die as a Muslim. Allah subhanahu also wants us to die as Muslims. Why? He loves us. Because of His love, He created the humanity and the kainat. And He wants to take us, especially we who are ummati of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to Jannah. Jannah is waiting for us. Therefore, I'll advise some today, good advice to me, to you. And we should follow those advice. Then we can hope, with the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we will get last breath with Iman. With La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Simple meaning of the ayat mubarakah I quoted before you. Now I give the simple meaning and shara of the hadith part. Innamal aamal bil khawatim biha. The khatma iman, the last breath, condition of our death will be according to the aamal we do in the life. Understand? जैसे हमारे आमाल होंगे वैसा ही हमारा खात्मा होगा. Therefore, we should keep ourselves always in good amal. We should never get trapped in the trap of shaitan and nafs and commit any sin. We don't know, because death has no calendar. Anytime death can come. So we should never take chance. We should never take chance. We should always keep us in good amal. Before starting any action, we should check what I am doing. Is it permissible by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala or not? By Rasulullah or not? Is it? If it is yes, then we should do that aamal according to the sunnah to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone. Then that aamal will become aamal saleh. And I wish, when I'm in this condition, angel of death come to me, Mr. Khokhar, let's go. Right? Therefore, first lesson, I'm teaching everybody, to me also, we should always keep in the good aamal, good deed. हमेशा हमें अपने आप को नेक आमाल में रखना है. ऐसा ना हो कि हम जो गलत काम कर रहे हैं, गिबत कर रहे हैं, बैक बैटिंग हो रही है, something, and angel of death comes. No, don't want that. Now, something very sick, our friend, father, mother, very sick, we should be very careful to get the talqeen. Just you, he is very close to die, don't tell him, say la ilaha illallah, la ilaha, no. He in the pain of death, he may say no, right? What should we do? Anybody, a friend, a father, a mother, a relative is very sick, we just close to him, say la ilaha to yourself. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha. When he hears this, he may start saying it. Inshallah. Second, after a person dies, he has lot of sweat. Lot of sweat. Because it's painful. Death is painful. Because the ruh is attached with every vein in the body. It comes out. So therefore, if pain comes, don't think this is not a good death. Please don't think if anybody has perspiration. It is difficulty at the time of death. Don't think, have positive thinking about that person. Why? If some pain comes at the time of death, that will emancipate, will become the kafara of the sins. Then he will die without sins. You understand? We should always talk positive. When a person dies, we should always talk positive about him. जब कोई फौत हो जाए, हमें उसके बारे में अच्छी बातें करनी चाहिए. You understand, brother? Clear? माशाल्लाह. On Friday, a Friday night, if anybody dies, mashallah, no account, no hisab kitab. In Umrah, in Hajj, Ramadan, Lailatul Qadr, these and getting the knowledge deen, mashallah, beautiful condition of last breath. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make enter Jannah without the account. Main problem at the time of death happens if the person watch lot of TV, lot of cellular telephone, see the ghair mahram. Understand? When we look at ghair mahram, illegal to see, that picture come in the heart. That becomes problem at the time of death, saying la ilaha illallah. We should avoid maximum wrong telephone, wrong internet. Understand? Positive, we do it, but be very careful. We should not do any sin with our eyes, because what sin we commit with the eye, it go in the heart. Black dot, black dot, black dot, become too much dark, then heart will not able to say la ilaha illallah, because what is in the heart comes from the tongue. Understand? What is in the heart comes in the tongue. We should be very careful to use our glasses, our eyes beautifully. Then, number 3, we should be very particular of the sevak. We should be very particular about the sevak. Or brush, you may use the brush also, no problem. If we are particular about brush and use before every wudu, then what will happen? At the time of death, angel will come, he will remind you, mashallah. Even Malkal Maut when it comes, angel of death comes, he reminds you, say la ilaha illallah. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves the cleanliness. In Allah yuhibbul mutatahhirin wa yuhibbul tawabin. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves those people who keep themselves physically clean and spiritually inward clean. Physically clean, good shower, good wuzu. Inner heart should not have jealousy, arrogance, enmity, right? Grudge against nobody. Only heart should have what? Love of everybody. Love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Love of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Love of the mom and dad. Love of the wife and the children. And Muslim brother as well. Then, we are Muslim. When idea comes in the mind, I am Muslim, we should do shukr. وَلَا إِشْكَرْتُمْ لِأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ. If we do shukr on the name of the blessing of Iman, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will increase our Iman. And also, He bless us with the death with the la ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Because the dua also, after first salat, morning, evening, we can make this dua also. Raditu billahi rabbam, wa bil islam deenan, wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. I am happy, I am pleased Allah, I am taking as a Rabb. I am very happy. Take Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as my Nabi. Ya Allah, I am very happy to take Deen as al-Islam. We don't know the meaning. We should say like our own language. Ya Allah, मैं तुझसे खुश हूँ, तू मेरा रब है. या अल्लाह, बड़ा खुश हूँ, तू मेरा नबी मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम है. या अल्लाह, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, दिल से खुश हूँ, तूने मुझे सलाम दिया. When you are happy, the happiness is a sign of shukr. When you shukr any ni'mat, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bless that ni'mah, increase that ni'mah at the time of death. Inshallah, we will die on Islam. Number 4, we should do sadaqah khairat, maximum donation, not only zakat, extra the zakat. We should pay a lot of money to the poor people, sadaqat. It will quench the fire, it will free the fire of Jahannam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is angry with us. Our bad deed, when we do sadaqah, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala become happy. Nowadays, Pakistan, you know what is going on. Please do your best ability. Send maximum money to Pakistan to help those our blood brother and sister. This is the best time now. We should help them. Allah will pay you back. Allah will pay you back, inshallah. Then, we should to have the good death. We should be in the company of ulama haq, salihin, नेक बंदा, सोहबते साले तुरा साले कुलद, सोहबते बातुरा बातुला, सोहबते ताले तुरा ताले कुलद, सोहबते साले तुरा साले कुलद. We should be company of the good people. The students are sitting over here. Have good friend in the school. Don't have bad friend. Because bad friend will have bad effect on you. And cellular telephone is also a very bad friend from the youth. They should be very careful to use. And the dad and mom had to supervise. Dad and mom had to supervise how my son or daughter is using the internet. Another, how to die with good faith, correct faith, die with Iman. We should hear azan very carefully. When azan is going on, even at home on TV or on the cellular telephone, stop everything. Listen carefully azan. The person who will listen azan carefully, inshallah, he will die with Iman. You understand? It's very important. Some people ignore it. Okay, I'll make salat. I'll go to masjid. No, don't talk. Listen the call of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala very, very attentively. If you call your dad, call your son, you call your wife. If I call my wife, I call my son, he don't pay attention. How we feel? The way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala feel also. If we don't listen to his call, Hayya ala salah, come to salat. Hayya ala salah, come to salat. Hayya ala falah, come to success. We should hear it. Yes, yes, I've come. We should repeat. We should bring maximum sunnah in our life. Then what will happen? We will get the love of Surah Al-Falah. And then, eventually, as a result of that, we get the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When we have Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala love, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala love us, Rasul Akram loves us, then, inshallah, we will have last breath with Iman. You understand, brother? To whom we love, that person come in the mind at the time of death. They have lot of bank balances. Then maybe I am not paying zakat, a sadaqah. I may call my son, come on, I tell you what to do. My money are there, my money are there, my money are there. Hey, be watchful. Worry about money. No. Therefore, we should have will, W-I-L-L, wasiyat. Give in the bank. That if I pass away, please distribute money accordingly. Ask Mufti Sahab, Hazrat Mufti Sahab, I want to prepare the will. Understand? Wasiyah. He will help you how to prepare the will. Understand? Simple as it is. Then, at the time of death, we will worry about the life, coming life, not about the money and bank balance and jewelry. Understand? Sister should be really should also do the will of the jewelry. Who will take how much? Understand? Very important. We should lead our life free of the sins. If we want to have Iman, kalima at the time of death, we should try to lead our life free from sins. I hate at the time of death I am doing some sinful act. Hearing? Not necessarily. Angel of death come when I am sick. You get heart attack. All of a sudden, right now. Therefore, we should be away every second, every minute, away from even minor sin. Because when minor sin get together, it becomes big sin. If the person continue making minor sin, then he will be involved in the kabira sin. Then we should do zikr Allah. Maximum, if we want last sentence at the time of death, La ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah. Then we should do zikr of Allah a lot, especially zikr of kalma tayyiba. I will recommend. After every salat, make zikr 100 times. Sit down, relax, take the time. After doing istighfar, Allah SWT accept my salat. Then make after every salat 100 times La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Morning, evening also special. And we are wuzu not required. For zikr Allah, wuzu not required. Break, no problem. Driving the car, don't listen song. Listen La ilaha illallah. Or in the heart, say La ilaha zikr, La ilaha illallah. Time will come, your heart will say automatically La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah. But pay attention on the road and don't break the rules of the state of the driving, right? Let it true. Say la ilaha illallah. Become, make your tongue habituated. अपनी ज़बान को कलमे से तर रखो. चलते फिरते बैठते उठते सोते जागते ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह. Man आखिर कलामिही ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह दखल जन्नah. Whose last sentence will be la ilaha illallah, he will enter Jannah. Inshallah. May Allah Father bless us. Say Ameen. Then we should also attend the session of different ulama who talk about Iman, talk about aamal. Especially we have program over here, tableegh ki baat program. Then every talk is Iman and aamal and ikhlas and niyyah and 6 sifat. MashaAllah. Every Friday, every Thursday evening, the program we have here, we attend that program. Today we are starting an ijtima. The address, everything on the board here. We should try to attend the ijtima. We should listen, go to gathering, go to sohbat, saleem. MashaAllah, listen to bayan. It will increase our iman. Inshallah, tell your friends also. We should make dua also. After every salat, we should make dua also. Allahumma arzuqni husn al-khatimah. Oh Allah, bless me with the last best iman. Inshallah. We should make dua. Why not? Hazrat Bilal radiallahu ta'ala anhu was very sick. And his wife was crying. He said, why are you crying? He said, oh, you are going. Why should not cry? Bilal radiallahu said, I am happy. You may be crying, I am happy. He said, why? I will see my beloved, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. I will see my beloved, Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu. I will see Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu. क्या बात है? निशाने मर्द मोमिन पातु गोयम, निशाने है मर्द मोमिन पातु गोयम, जो मरगायत तबस्सुम लबरे पर लबे ऊस, निशाने मर्द मोमिन पातु गोयम, जो मरगायत तबस्सुम पर लबे. May I not tell you the sign of the moment? When angel of death come, he smile. Understand? He smile. We should love death. We should love death if we have good aamal. Am I right? We keep eye open on our aamal. Great Muhaddis Abu Zara, rahmatullah alayh, he was discussing a hadith. He was hafiz of hadith, 600,000 hadith. His friend came, Muhaddis, he was discussing with him. He was sick also. Then his turn came, he read this hadith. Man kana akhir kalamihi la ilaha illallah dahal jannah, he passed away. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. And then I talked about Rabia Pasriya, take 2-3 good more. Rabia Pasriya was sick. She told his students, she is wali Allah, man. Rabia Pasriya, waliyon ki, औरतों के वलियों की सरदार है, subhanallah. She was very sick. And she said to his students, leave me alone with my beloved Allah. मुझे अपने रब के साथ छोड़ दो. Get out of my room and close the door. They closed the door. It was open. And she said, Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. She passed away. They heard loudly. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give such death to our sister, to our mother, to my wife, to me also. Inshallah. And then they heard his students, Murid, heard other sound there. From angel. What was that sound? Ya ayyatuhan nafsul mutmainna, irji'i ila rabbika radiyatan marziya, fadkhuli fi ibadi, wadkhuli jannati. Subhanallah. Translation. O nafse mutmainna, O my bandi, full of Iman and contentment, come to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to your Rabb. Come on, come see your Rabb. And he is happy with you, and you are happy with him. Subhanallah. Fadkhuli fi ibadi. Come and join all Jannati. Come and join my special people who are Jannati. Al-Fadkhuli Jannati, and enter the Jannah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also bless us with such kind of death. And at the time of death, we should be happy with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you want to check, if Allah is happy with us, I give you a test. How much we are happy with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. जितना हम अल्लाह से राजी होंगे, उतना ही अल्लाह हमसे राजी होगा. Last one to couplet, that go. दुनिया से इस तरह हो रुखसत गुलाम तेरा, दुनिया से इस तरह हो रुखसत गुलाम तेरा, हो दिल में याद तेरी, हो लब पे नाम तेरा. मुनकर नकीर आकर दे जाएं ये बिशारत, मुनकर नकीर आकर दे जाएं ये बशारत, तुझको रहे मुबारक हुस्न इख्तिताम तेरा. रहमत से बख्श देना मेरे गुनाह सारे से आमीन. रहमत से बख्श देना मेरे गुनाह सारे, रोज़े जज़ा देखूं मैं इंतकाम तेरा. रहमत से बख्श देना मेरे गुनाह सारे, सदका मुस्तफ़ा का जन्नत इनाम तेरा. आमीन. वमा अलैना इल्लल बलाग व आखिर दावाना alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Inshallah tomorrow it will be bayan on the YouTube. Faqir, Khokhar, FFU Ayar, K.H.O. और मौलाना फकीर खोखर. अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू. सुनते पाले.